Now you have a larger number here than you do here. All right, the first number is called the minuend. The second number is called the subtrahend. I like thinking of a subtrahend as starting with S, and so does the word second. Second and subtrahend both start with an S, okay? So you don't have to wonder which one is the minuend, which one is the subtrahend. This is the second number, all right? And when the first number is smaller than the second number, then you got a problem, okay? Because you're not going to be able to borrow from this, are you? Okay? I mean, borrow, you got a 5, then you end up with 5 minus 6, and that kind of works havoc with fractions, all right? So we have to do this a whole different way. And what we're going to do now is we're going to write both of these as fractions, okay? So whenever the first term is smaller than the second term, you're going to write both of them as fractions. So 6 becomes what? And 6 1/2, 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1. What's 12 plus 1? All right, now these are fractions are not like, okay? You must have like fractions. So we're going to want to multiply this by 2. Why? I want to have 2 for my denominator. I want to have like fractions. You understand these are not like? You understand these are not like? So you can make both of them into a 2, okay? The one can be made into a 2. Now, what do you multiply 1 by to get 2? 1 times 2 is 2. So 6 times the 2 would be what? Okay, notice back here we had a 6, and now we have 12 halves, which is 6, isn't it? This is 6, isn't it? So this is 6, and this is 13 halves, stays like that. When you multiply by 1, it doesn't change, okay? So here we have 6, and here we have 6 1/2. Okay, you understand? These are now fractions. When you add like fractions or subtract like fractions, you get a like fraction. The denominator must be 2. You combine the two numerators, right? The 12 minus the 13. And if you have $12 in your bank account and write a check for 13, I said if you have 12 and you write a check for 13, you messed up, didn't you? Okay, because now you owe $1. How do I write I owe $1? Minus what? 1. Okay, final answer minus 1/2.